Good morning and welcome back. So it's breakfast time, but it's almost like 9:20 since we woke up a little late because Aiden has not been feeling well for the last 3 days. Just cough and cold and a little bit of fever. So that's why his sleeps are a little bit off in the nighttime, and he wakes up a few times. So that's why we also wake up. Hence, waking up late and all that stuff. But I think it's day 3 of him, and I really hope he's feeling better today, and we are in a mission to make him feel better by Saturday, because Sunday we are leaving for our vacation for a week, which we are very excited about. So but I'm sure he'll be fine by then, or at least start feeling fine. And then so for breakfast I made him some porridge, so good healing food. So that's what he is gonna eat. Then I'm drinking my turmeric water and my the dry fruits. And then I already cleaned the downstairs yesterday. Like before going for the vacation, I always like to clean the house and go, so that I don't have to come back and clean. So I already cleaned everything downstairs yesterday. Easy baby. I gotta clean the upstairs today, and then I have 2 orders of bread that I need to make. So yeah, but let's start the day, and it's a beautiful day. I'm done with cleaning up the bathroom. It's nice and shiny. And then I'm also done cleaning up the room. Iron is just playing here. Let me push this back. Okay, done with cleaning up the bedroom and the floors here, everything. This room, don't even ask me. I mean, I think you guys have seen me in one of my previous vlogs where I tackled the playroom. Well, today me, Maya, and Aiden, we all 3 of us are gonna tackle this playroom again. So it's very common for this thing to happen. Aiden's bathroom is also done, all nice and clean. Bedroom is all clean. Yeah, Aiden's bedroom is all clean. And then this is the room where we are packing for our vacation, so it's stuff on the bed, and rest is all clean. Yeah, laundry is going on and done. Alright, I'm finally sitting down for lunch. You wanna say because it's 11.
Finally, we're sitting down for chocolate candy.
Because it's 11:58, like literally 12, and this is going to be the first meal of the day for me. I'm really hungry. I have some coffee here. Aileen is eating. Aiden is eating a stuffed paratha, and I have avocado toast, one sourdough slice, basically half is avocado toast with egg and half is avocados with tomato and balsamic, and then 2 oranges. So,
And I don't like it.
you don't like your paratha?
And I don't like it.
Jima made it for you, remember? She made it some extra and kept. So last time when mom and dad were here, she made green peas paratha for everybody, and then there was some leftover mixture, so she made some extra and we froze it. So that's what I'm heating up.
I didn't like it still.
Okay, next time I'll make you something else, okay?
Okay.
For now, let's eat it.
So what's the side?
Orange. The half of it was going bad, so I had to throw it.
And is this going bad?
No.
On the side?
No.
There
I was taking a bubble bath while I was finishing up some laundry, and this is what I'm using. Boogie vapor bath. It's a bubble. It makes bubble, but it helps soothe and ease the stuffiness. It's gentle and calming. It's also hypoallergenic and dermatologist recommended, tested. So that's what he is having fun in the tub. I say hi.
Hi.
And I'm gonna quickly give him a bath. It does help him a lot with his stuffy nose and throat. So, and after this I'm gonna give him his afternoon medicine and put him to sleep, so he gets better faster and we go for our vacation. Also, we haven't told you guys where we're going for vacation yet, but we will tell you before we go on the vacation for sure. So my whole house is clean. Like, I am like top clean, the whole house. And then I just have to finish my laundry and my young's laundry, which is going on right now. So once it's done, I'm gonna put it away in the closet, and then I think I'll have to do one more laundry, one small little load of laundry before we leave, because I honestly hate coming back home after a vacation and doing the other household work, except for the laundry that I will be bringing with me. But we also have a washer dryer in our hotel, in our room, so I think I'll do all my laundry there before coming back, so that I don't have to come back home and do it. But let me know, what type of a person are you? Do you like coming back home and then cleaning up your house after a vacation, or do you like to do it before you go for a vacation? Nothing wrong with it, like whatever you choose, but I'm just that person who wants to do it and go. For my trip, I haven't told you guys where we went. I told them that we'll be telling them. But I took out the suitcase to shoot a video, and look at him. He came inside the suitcase.
That's what Nastia does.
Nastia does like this?
Yeah.
Do you want to go in the suitcase? You want me to pack you up in the suitcase?
And then put it in the luggage compartment?
Alright, come on,
Alright, let mommy do it. Let's go.
You go clean up the playroom with daddy. Alright, I'm like 90% done packing my stuff. And let's go check on what Mike and Aiden are doing. Okay, it's still getting cleaned up. Good job. I'm 90% done with my packing, and then everything I'll just do it on Saturday morning.
Hey.
Excuse you? Good.
Pickity.
Are you helping Daddy? Aiden?
Yeah, right.
Are you helping Daddy?
There is one naughty person in here who is doing all the naughty and just jumping around like a monkey. I wonder who that naughty person is.
Careful with your nose, baby. Alright. Aiden wants to do a cleanup dance. Alright, let's go, everybody.
Got it all cleaned up. We got it all cleaned up.
Come on, do the dance.
Oh, there's a little bit of cleanup.
Oh, it's not fully cleaned up yet. That's why he hasn't started dancing.
Okay.
Alright, that thread can go in the trash. Give it to Daddy. Don't just throw anywhere. And I'm gonna vacuum it later on. A guitar
Ready?
over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? We got it all cleaned up. Got it all clean up dance. We got all cleaned up.
Come on, do the cleanup dance.
We got it all cleaned up and it's a clean up dance.
He's still cleaning up. Good job.
Are we done?
Not yet. There's the last thing to be it.
Okay,
Are we done
now.
now?
Done.
Oh.
Daddy looks like he didn't clean up properly. He's still cleaning up after you.
Good, because this is the only time he's cleaning up now.
Come is all
Right.
finished now.
Ta-da!
Let's dance!
Now we do. Cleaned up, we got it all cleaned up.
Shake your butt, shake your butt. It's a clean up. Book, book.
What?
It's a clean up dance. More here.
Good
job.
job.
That's it, that's it.
Dios, qué long.
I'm going to ask you.
Guys, ready? We made pulao with potato, peas, and onion.
अब से मैं मेरी ट्रिक काम करने लग गई है वीडियो वैसे
क्या trick?
मैं हल्का सा पानी ज़्यादा डालता हूँ 12 मिनट फिर लगाता हूँ
अच्छा तो उससे क्या होता है?
मैंने देखा है राइस थोड़ा ज़्यादा फूलता है
I see.
मतलब क्वांटिटी में
Looks good. एक बार उससे थोड़ा तुम्हें नहीं लगता ऐसा कि गीला
चिपचिपा
ज़्यादा?
हो गया
हाँ,
अब हो भी सकता है कि मेरा पानी ज़्यादा ही हो गया हो बट हल्का सा वो करके तो आज तो हाँ हल्का सा हो गया है
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Actually, बंद ही कर दो उसमें. We are done with our dinner and then kitchen is also wrapped up. Mayang has gone upstairs to get Aiden ready for bed, give his medicines. And I'm gonna end the vlog here and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye.